just got out of the hot tub. Now we're headed to because we're going somewhere. The show just finished. I'm going up to the sports deck because that's what the kids are. We're going to Ted, eat breakfast. So right now we're going to explore the ship and look what we found.
Cruising deck.
The painting was moving. We just found enough of the I've placed the dock. With the amount of ice cream we eat, I'm now pro. Hey guys, we won the scavenger hunt. Yeah, we love talking to drunk people in the elevator. Say hi.
What I was painted when I ate up.
We just got out of the hot tub. We're going to get dried off, and then we're getting ready for prom.
Hi everyone.
Sweet Caroline. So right now, Sophie and I are headed to go to Hat in the Hat's birthday. Wait, no, Dr. Seuss's birthday. We were drowning. Hey guys, we're hiding because it's so windy. Good morning guys. Today we're in St. Martin. We just got off the ship and now we're headed to the beach. We just moved back onto the ship. I didn't vlog much because I was gonna faint because it was so hot. But now I think I'm gonna run up to the slides. But we didn't know that yet. So if you want something to hold on to, gotta find it first. But here I am, beside me laying under palm trees, waiting for the summer. So bad, my back is gonna fall off. I've been on this island, wanna be my fun. I don't ever want to leave. I'm in a tropic club. That was really fun, except it hurts your back, like really bad. Like your back will be in pain if you do it. But do it, it's fun. It's perfect. I want that to be my job.
We're getting up.
Hello everyone.
Hello. We got some iced tea.
And lemonade.
We got some very sad. It's having a
Why is it
breakdown.
foggy over there? Hey. Wait.
Wait, start over.
Hi, ready? 1, 2, 3.
You're not. Oh God, why it's dark?
Why is it dark?
It's dark. Why?
We're
Why is it
vlogging.
dark?
No.
What? It looks like I didn't break it. I didn't break it.
Oh, I didn't have this.
My name is Annie, and you're watching Disney Channel. Wow. And this is the coffee room. The other side.
Okay, no, they don't like us. Yeah. We got them. Hey guys, we're in Tortola. Anyways, I'll see you when we get on the island. Tortola, not Tortola. So we've been swimming for a bit. The water's super nice.
Here's Michael Liv.
Hey guys, so we're back on the ship now. I just went and did the slides a few times. So now I'm going to get changed seats and food. Come visit me at 6391. So many animals now. We have a lobster, then we got our monkey, then we have our rabbit. Hey guys, we're back. This time we're related.
Yeah, we're related.
We have some new friends.
We the other group hates us because
We got foamy hot
coffee.
chocolate. Wow.
I'm so honored.
That was good. What's up, vlog? I know, we should take
Really
photos.
good.
Really good. We're going to the hot tub. There's people in there.
Coffee.
Hey vlog! So today we're being judged. Apparently our group of friends is called the Preps. And they're the ghettos. And she just called us out on the microphone. Hey guys. We took the microphone.
Oh.
Whoa.
I don't know the words.
The moonlight wing.
Duo.
What are we doing? Singing.
Say hi.
I'll do the chorus. Billy shaking her head at us. Billy is shaking her head at us.
No. Good morning. Right now we're going up for breakfast. Today we're in Puerto Rico. Hey guys, so I came back to Starbucks.
I mean, where?
We found our hot chocolate.
Hey. Mine's a little full. Mine is not even. Hi. My ice down one.
What? They're actually
Ice. The cookies
some
are
little,
especially good.
some little boys think Annie's famous on Instagram.
They said,
and they go, wow, you're famous on TikTok.
You know, 1 mil and 0.6.
It's elegant night.
So the coffee
So
is,
much coffee is happening right now.
they're gonna get married. I got a sticker on my forehead.
So we just filmed them.
Patrick, that's so obvious.
Coffee.
That is so obvious.
So we're at the hot tub.
We have to merge with the others.
Yeah. Hey guys, so we're sitting in the auditorium waiting to go to our excursion. So they're gonna cancel our excursion. They're just not saying it yet.
So, stuck on the goddamn boat.
What's up? Everybody shut up. Simon.
It's Simon London here. It's a medical situation with several guests on board, cold and flu symptoms. So at most places, disease that are not related.
And that's on
So we're still on the boat. We haven't got off the boat. We're supposed to be off at 10.
Oh no, the others are coming. They're coming
The
down the
others are
hallway.
coming. They loud.
I just want to tan.
Should we? She's TikTok famous. We forgot to mention about Annie's fake Gucci that she got at a fake shop in Puerto Rico.
It's iconic.
That is the coffee. You don't have a
I don't have a milkshake, but that's because I can't have dairy.
My milkshake looks better than you.
See, look, now I have one.
Wow. We're still not on the island, by the way. Try to find the gray elephant.
Viruses. I'll say it. Me and Annie really think that you're really hot, but you have a girlfriend, so we're not even gonna try. But I thought first until she actually noticed it a couple days after.
We're not going on the island,
We aren't on the island.
but we're still here.
We're just sitting looking at the beach that we could have been sitting on.
All the other cruise ships left. We're still here just trying to rub it in our faces. Wow, we could be there. Hey vlog, so Sheik did a photo shoot of us.
Yeah.
We're drinking a drink that's We're going to Puerto.
Oh.
Adrian, what? It's open. Adrian's trying to lock us out. We won free milkshakes.
By
Giving
director.
our director,
Director.
our director, our counselor,
What do you even call him?
Adrian. We got him watermelon and every cake in the buffet.
And so happy. So
We just fell down the
we got free
stairs.
milkshakes, even though it was only Patrick's job, but it just came with and finesse. We got the milkshake.
We got the milkshake.
Adrian's probably gonna be upset because
We got 2 straws.
me too. Because he hates me. Patrick got a tattoo. Like a real tattoo.
What? Oh yeah, we have a newcomer.
Newcomer. He doesn't know Cotton Eye Joe.
Ouch.
I kind of look good. Just kidding.
They closed the ice cream. That man just gave us a dirty look for pausing to close ice cream.
Hello.
Things all here.
The ice cream is quarantined.
Guys, it's a chocolate extravaganza today.
It's really
Whatever
fun.
that means.
There's so much.
We ordered pasta.
We have nothing to do. Like, it's cold. O2 is closed and Adrian hates us. I was trying to sing karaoke.
We're getting sad.
I'll bring you up. We're all leaving later tomorrow. Petition to get stuck on this boat.
So we're taking some Instagram photos because we have 0.
Say hi.
Hi.
Patrick.
Oh, okay, Patrick. Thanks for letting us be in your vlog. Oh.
Everyone say hi to Patrick's phone.
That's Patrick's phone.
Okay, that's cute.
On it.
That's cute.
Oh my god.
Oh my god.
Oh my god.
She can't come back.
Why is that so? She doesn't like us. Okay.
And I have milk. And a little perfume. So yay. For goodbye.
BFFs are gonna be together for 2 more hours.
We forgot to inform you our cruise ship is on the news. We are celebrities.
4 followers.
Anyways, we're going to get ice cream. But there's... we're going to get our last hot chocolate.
So we just had our last ice cream.
Almost just knocked over my last wet floor sign. We lost Ben.
And it's gonna be like, you're not gonna see him. Like,
He said he was coming back,
To walk Emma back to
so we're going to find him.
What am I gonna do with my life if I don't say Benjamin every single day of my life?
Benjamin.
I'm not something Patrick. Vaughn doesn't care. No, he was just kissing Emma. Let's get this party started. This is the last time of us doing Hot
Coffee, they can't see it. Coffee, milk.
We'll get you later, bucket. Watch right there. Last time,
Long time ago, where did you come from? Where did you go? Where did you come from, Cotton Eye Joe? But I've been from Cotton Eye Joe. I've been married a long time ago. Where did you come from? Where did you go? Cotton Eye Joe. But I've been from Cotton Eye Joe. I've been married a long time ago. Where did you come from? Where did you go? Where did you come from, Cotton Eye Joe? But I've been from Cotton Eye Joe. I've been married a long time ago. Where did you come from? Where did you go? Where did you come from, Cotton Eye Joe?
Bye, guys.
Waiting for the summer, knowing there's nowhere to go. 'Cause I am happy.